Hello, Valentines, everybody. Happy Valentines. Today is February 14, 2015. And happy Valentines to everybody. Now, I set up this and then to say wishing you a happy Valentine. And then this one is really cute. It's like a mini cupcake, like a mini snowman cupcake, but it's really cute. It's red color, so it fits the Valentine thing. And then this one is a chocolate, like a chocolate sundae. Okay. And this is the Kipling, because I love Kipling bags. I love I bought a lot of their handbag and stuff, and when I was at the store, I discovered not only they have the regular monkey, they have these themed monkeys. So I'm gonna show you the Valentine monkeys that I have. So it comes with this really nice box. Okay, really nice box. So it's a red monkey, and he even has red lipstick on it. And then with, I don't know if you can see it, he has white wings in the back. And then he's holding a red heart. So it's so cute. The next one we have is the Angel Kipling monkey. I got this at the Beverly Center. He has a halo. His whole body is white, and then he has white wings. Really cool. And then we also have Snoopy, because I love Snoopy. I have different kind of Snoopy, but this is the first Snoopy I had with the like a heart-shaped sunglasses. So it's really cool. So Snoopy is wearing a heart-shaped sunglasses on the side. Okay, and he's holding a heart-shaped chocolate, and then on his hand you can see there's a heart. So really nice. So happy Valentine's, everybody. Wishing you lots of love and happiness. So happy Valentine. Here is one of the things I picked up. The Minion mailbox. Now these are the stuff that kids take it to school. Like whoever give them Valentine card, they can put it in here. So here's a door with a minion with a heart and says, "I'm stuck on you." This one, falling for you. Now let's open up and see what we got here. Ooh, we got a Frozen. That's Anna. That's Olaf. Valentine, your hot stuff. And you deserve a totally magical day from Elsa. And in the back, you can say to and from. Okay, let's see what else we got here. Wow, a Star Wars one. This is like pretty popular. I've been giving this out when I go out. And then it's like very popular. People love it. Well, I give out to the, you know, like cashiers when I go to the store and restaurants. They love it. Now these two are the most popular ones, Darth Vader and Stormtrooper. And this, okay. So the bag is like pretty simple. Now this is a Minion. lenticular style. So as you can see, if you can see that, lenticular is like, it has like 2 images and you'll just flip them. See, this one has a big giant eye. Now that is amazing. Let's see what this does. Okay. And then they give you a red sticker. Some even come with a poster. They give you a red heart sticker. What? That's it. And over here we have cookies. Message sugar cookies. Okay, it has Be Mine. It has pink, blue, say crazy for you, pink, love you, hug me, be mine. There you have it. Happy Valentine's.